Good morning, children. Today, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Back in the States, I did some unboxing videos of Chinese guitars that I bought over the internet. I'm going to do an unboxing today to show you something that is very popular in Thailand, and it took me a while to get one. I got a cheap one. It was a piece of shit. I didn't like it, so I went ahead and stopped fucking around and got a good one, and I'll show you what I got. Kind of mandatory equipment. Every Thai person, and I mean every Thai person, has this in their kitchen. I will guarantee, I don't care how poor they are, they got one of these suckers in their kitchen. Now, so far, like I said, I've managed to do without. About a month ago, I had my girlfriend go through Lazada and pick out one. It was a Toshiba, which I figured, hey, how bad can it be? It's Toshiba, but it was a piece of shit. It was a real entry level, 300 baht, 500 baht, 10 bucks. Machine. So homeboy ain't playing no more. I got myself, and of course you can't see it because it's in plastic, bubble wrap. All right. Like unwrapping Christmas gifts, right? That's the best part of an unboxing, I think, is the unwrapping. There we go. So for those of you who know about rice cookers, Zojirushi is the name in rice cookers. It's the #1 brand. Pop, pop, pop. No, I don't enjoy popping those. Well, I do enjoy popping those, but I'm just trying to get it off here so you can see it. Now that the mic pulled the camera all the way around. There you go. Zojirushi. And the reason I got it is at some point I want to try making my own sushi. And this, of course, makes sushi rice. It's from Japan, the #1 selling brand in Japan. Number 2 reason I got it is when I was doing my little quarterly checkup at the heart doctor the other day. I went up, whenever I see her, she takes blood, call her the vampire, and so I have to fast before I give blood. So I'm hungry, so I go up to the cafeteria and grab some food, and they had like sesame chicken with red rice. Now, red rice is actually more nutritious for you than white rice or even brown rice, but it's not very popular here in Thailand because the government feeds red rice to prison inmates. So Thais, guilty by association, they don't want to eat red rice because that's what inmates eat. But it's actually more nutritional than, like I said, either brown or white. So, and Thais just love their white rice. I mean, they just want jasmine rice, long grain jasmine rice, which is native to Thais, grown here in the rice paddies, and they grew up with it, and it's familiar, and they love it. So they are not changing to brown, even if it's the whole health craze and that all the people eating brown rice in the last 10, 20 years. And they're not eating red, once again, even though it has more nutritional value because it's what's fed to people in prison. So there's that social stigma. But this cooks red rice, this cooks sticky rice, this cooks sushi rice, this cooks brown rice, this cooks white rice, this cooks short grain rice, like our barrio rice, like for risotto. And actually, I've seen a couple of YouTube videos where people make stews and shit. I mean, this is steamer, so anything you can steam, you can cook in this and make it almost like a crock pot. Now, I have a crock pot, so I wouldn't do that, but whatever. Versatile machine, but mainly I got it to make rice, a bunch of different types of rice. It's digital. It's kind of set it and forget it. You don't have to do the finger thing, and figure out, it has lines inside, add water, this much for that type of rice and all that. So it's Ferrari proof. When I start making rice, I won't fuck it up. So that's the unboxing. I got the Zojirushi NLGAQ18T. The 18T means 1.8 liter capacity. They also sell a 1-0 tea, which is a 1 liter. I got the bigger guy because, you know, what Thai people do is make up a shitload of rice, and then they scoop out what they need and heat it up the next day, the day after that, whatever. It can last you a fucking week. The rice doesn't really go bad. So I went ahead and sprung for the extra 0.8 of a liter. So that's my unboxing. I got a Zojirushi rice cooker, 10 cups. It says also here 1.8 liter, I guess, equals 10 cups of rice. So there you go. I can start eating rice like a month. Well, you know. That's it for today. Great White Buddha out from Thailand.